Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create mirror text in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create mirror text. Now go to the home menu option, then click for a text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text. Now select from text. Now change size. Now text from bold. Now going to the text fill option, then choose color. Now we can say mirror text. Now select from a text box. Now click for rotate. Now rotate your text. That's it. Then I show create mirror text in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for